There are times when we feel like I just want to go somewhere all alone and spend the day for myself, but end up wasting the whole day instead. The next time you feel so, here's something for my fellow Hyderabadis to go on a one-day trip.
You have arrived.
और चचा मस्त है नहीं? Let me explain to you all in detail how I planned this one-day trip to Medak. So I did my basic research on distance from where I start, time taken to reach, the ideal route that needs to be considered, and of course, planning of this current vlog which you see. So no matter where you stay in Hyderabad, it will roughly take about 2 to 3 hours to reach Medak. Try starting as early in the morning as possible so that you get sufficient time to see each place. And the first place that I plan to visit and would suggest you as well is the Medak Fort. Let me tell you why. The moment you reach here in the morning, you won't be as exhausted as visiting this in the evening after covering the rest, especially when you think about climbing a fleet of stairs. Explore this fort built sometime around the 12th century, which was constructed by the Kakatiya kings. To be honest, there is not much left to see as most of it has fallen to ruins, but one can reach the top and get to see the whole district, which is worth the climb. There you go. I spotted our next stop. While descending, I tried exploring different paths on my own and came across this part of the fort. Wait, isn't it spooky enough to avoid going in? We'll know only if we see, right? This place was dark with bare minimum light entering from the top, and it had this absolute silence for some reason. Our next stop is said to be one of the biggest churches in India, and it was built by Charles Walker Posnet, British Wesleyan Methodists in 1914. This church is in the middle of a massive area of more than 300 acres of land. Very well maintained, tidy, and just look at this entrance. You get what I'm saying, isn't it? The moment I entered this church, I felt like this looks way bigger than how I judged it from the outside. Beautiful piece of architecture. As it is spread across this vast area, there is hardly any disturbance, making it quite a peaceful place to visit. On the way to our next location, I happened to see this hill, and guess what? That is where we came from, the Medak Fort, which is atop that hill. Cool. Now let's head to our last location to relax and watch the sun setting. The road to this place was absolutely scenic. One can enjoy driving on these roads for sure. This is Pocharam Dam, which is roughly around 20 kilometers from Medak town. You can probably stroll and explore the whole place by yourself as I did. Select your spot, just relax amidst nature. This is the reason I chose this place to end this trip. To replenish lost energy by giving some time to rest so that heading back home wouldn't be a problem. With this, we come to an end to this vlog. 2021 was the year that I traveled the most but couldn't shoot most of it, as I discovered this interest of mine pretty late. So I'm on a mission to connect with as many people as possible by capturing every story of my life, which I want you all to be a part of. I'm gonna up my game this year, so stay connected to see what I wanna share with you all. I hope you enjoyed this video and all the previous ones. Wish you all a happy new year. Stay safe. This is Manoj Madhur signing off. Cheers.